Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add story highlights on Facebook. Before getting into this video, but subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook, and then you need to click on your profile picture, and then you need to click on your profile and click on three dots and click on archive, and here you need to click on story archive, so you can find all your archive stories here. So let me select a live story, so this is my story, and then you need to click on the star on the top right, and here you can see then options. You can add cover and title of your collection, so I'm going to add how to for an example and click on save. So it is now saving, so let me show you. So it is now showing onto my profile. So this is the process by which you can add story highlights on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.